Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a review on a website slash blog called BeautyIsBoring. And so a little bit of its background is that this website, BeautyIsBoring, was founded by a celebrity makeup artist and a photographer named Robin Black. So BeautyIsBoring for them, it's like a space for inspiration, inclusivity, and fun. So a little bit of what you're seeing right now in the screen are pictures of models displaying their beauty, as you can see in this picture. So this is my first time going on this website, so I'm not really familiar of what this website is basically about. So the only thing I know, it's like a blog or website, and it's not like a company or brand of makeup. So let's go down below and check out what this website provides for us. So let's go to about and let's check out more. As I mentioned before, Robin Black, so it says she documents her makeup artistry, collaborative photography process with her subjects, from top models to musicians, artists, and actors. So resulting in striking images that celebrate individual character in a modern concept of beauty. So I'm not reading like the whole paragraph. I'm just like scanning through some important sentences. So from this, it's trying to say that Robin takes pictures of the models who display their beauty. So they just celebrate like their individual character of the models of modern concept of beauty. So they just like to show their beauty like for their life or something, or impressions they get from like the beauty, fashion, style, and everything like that. So right here, Melissa Barrett, another person who's I think is like with this website or blog, so heads up our business or company side in seasoned beauty, fashion industry, branding, expert journalist, business. So it's basically talking about people from here, talk about what this website about, so and all about this. So let's check out the main website and check some pictures of the models. And in this one, you can search for things that you are like confused or interested in, like the face outtakes, videos about contact archive, the face archive. Let's check the face. And so I'm not real familiar, as I mentioned before, so I'm just gonna check out what this website offers to us. By the way, I will also leave the link of this website down below so you guys can check it out and share this video with amongst your friends, family members. So let's take a look on this one. So it's June 7, 2018, Rodden's Mermaid. So as you can see, she doesn't have a lot of makeup on. So let's check. Rodden just launched their new mermaid collection with packaging by the always amazing Donna Robertson. The collection consists of 4 products plus a lovely kabuki style brush, luxury body oil, and the luxury lip oil. She also said, I think I've been using these daily. The body oil has a subtle fresh jasmine scent, not too cloying or heavy, and it sinks into the skin quickly, leaving a hydrated, not greasy glow. And I can't resist a lip oil, especially one with a sheer beachy shimmer. So basically, I think the photographer takes a picture of the model, and the model, I think she writes a reasonable or particular website about what she's talking about, her beauty or something, or what she's using. Like for example, in this paragraph, she was talking about a body oil and a lip oil, so it represents what the picture is doing. And also here they provide I think like concealer, foundation, or makeup they're using in their particular picture. They just shoot it. There's more pictures, as you can see. For example, this one, it says June 1st, 2018, Urban Decay X Beauty is Boring Singe. Pictures of this model. So photographs of the makeup. You can check it out in Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, Tumblr, Mail. and a lot more. So like reading all these paragraphs will take me like 5 to more hours. So like I hope you guys like go to their website and check out and read a little bit of what this website is, and I don't know if it will interest you about makeup and beauty. So I hope you guys like really enjoyed this video, and if you did, please subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up for more upcoming videos. Bye.